Good morning, students. Today is Monday. First class is your English. Okay? Today we are going to revise what? Last up to A to IJKL. Up to L we have done. Now we will revise after that MNOP. Okay? Word from these alphabets. Okay? So let's start revision. First word is M. M for what? What I have made you write? M for mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Okay. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Next. M-A-N. Man. M-A-N. Man. Okay. Then M for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. So M for mango, man, monkey. Understand? Now next. After that N. Okay, N. What things from N? N for nail. N-A-I-L. Nail. N-A-I-L. Nail. Okay. Next, nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. You can write N-E-S-T. Nest. Okay. What I have written? Nail, nose, nest. You can write neck. Okay. Many things are there. Whatever you remember, you can write if it comes in your exam. Understand? Now next. Next is M-N-O. This is our O. O for a very nice fruit, that is orange. So O R A N G E, orange. Next, what we can write? O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. Next, O-X, ox. O-X, ox. Okay? O-X, ox. So, orange, owl, ox, and many other things. If you know, you can write. Okay? Then P. P for pot. P-O-T, pot. P for pot. P-O-T, pot. Next, P-E-N, pen. What we can say? P-E-N, pen. Next, P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. Understand? One more time I am saying. M for mango, man, monkey. N. N for nail, nose, nest. Then O. O for orange, owl, ox. And P for pot, pen, pin. Okay? You will learn this. Now come to our cursive. Cursive letters. What are they? Last. Today we are going to write small letter H. Okay. We are going to practice small letter H. How you will write? First let me draw the 4 lines. This is our 4 line. From this 3rd line, you raise the line to the top, then curve it, then down, then from here this. This is your H. This is your H. Again see, from here, bring to the top, then curve, then this. This is your H. Again see, this is your H. Okay. Again I am showing from 3rd line to the top line, then like this. This is your H. Okay, this is your H. Understand everybody? Very easy. You practice this. How to write. Today you will write in your cursive book this. Now we will do practice of cursive letters. Okay? First, we are going to practice small letter today. This is your A. Next, B. Next, C. Next, D. Next, E. Next, F. Okay. Next, G. And next, H. Okay. These are the alphabets I have teach you. Small letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now listen to me. How you have to practice. Maybe I can give you write from A to H in cursive small letter. Okay? And maybe I give you fill in the blanks. A will be there, B, C is not there. Then you have to write, or E, F is not there, G is not there, you have to write. Whatever place it is missing, you have to fill with the alphabet. Now the 3rd pattern. What is the 3rd pattern? What comes after and before this alphabet? Okay? Okay? You have to write before this. Before B, what comes? It comes A. Before C, what comes? Which alphabet? B. Before D, what comes? C. Before E, what comes? D. Okay. Before F, what comes? E. Before G, what comes? It's F. Okay. Before H, what comes? It's G. These are before alphabets. If it is in cursive, you have to write in cursive. Okay? Then after alphabets. Then you have to practice the after alphabets. Okay? After A, what comes? It's come B. Okay, after B, what comes? C. After D, what comes? E. After E, what comes? F. After F, what comes? G. After G, what comes? H. Understand? This is after alphabet. We have to practice both in small letter and capital letter. Understand? Okay. Today's class over. You will practice whatever I have teach and also learn whatever I have revised. Thank you, students.